നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും PSC ഈസി സക്സസ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ ഗ്രേഡ് 3 മത്സ്യഫെഡ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കോഡ് 011/2022 പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ആൻ ഓയിലി ഫ്ലോർ ഷുഡ് ബി ക്ലീൻഡ് ബൈ പുട്ടിംഗ് sawdust, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. സെക്കൻഡ്, വാട്ട് ആർ ദ 3 factors that causes fire? Fuel, heat, oxygen, option D. Third one, while grinding operation are to be carried out, operator must wear safety goggles, option B. Fourth one, color code of bins used in workshop for segregation paper is blue, option A. Fifth one, what is the class of fire caused by wood, paper, cloth? Class A fire, option C. Sixth one, flammable liquid fire occurs. Which type fire extinguishers are most suitable? Foam type extinguishers, option B. Seventh one, what A denotes in ABC of first aid? Airway, option C. Eighth one, in method of waste disposal, the process involves breaking down the materials into organic compounds that can be used as a manure is composting, option A. 9. In industry, which one is not used for shifting or moving heavy equipment? Conveyors, option C. 10th one, the word means freedom or protection from harm, danger, hazard, risk, accident, injury or damage is safety, option D. 11th one, the basic unit of length in SI system is meter, option A. 12. 1 mu means how much millimeter? 0.001 millimeter, option D. 1 micro. 13. Scribers are made out of which material? High carbon steel, option B. 14. The angle of the brick punch which is used for making light punch marks needed to position dividers are 30 degree, option C. 15. Which precision measuring instrument is used for checking and setting of angles? Sine bar, option D. 16. The vernier bevel protractor is a precision instrument meant for measuring angles to an accuracy of 5 minutes, option A. 17. The name of the part of vernier height gauge in which the main scales are graduated and various attachments may be clamped? Beam, option C. 18. In industry or workshop, which grade slip gauge is used for inspection purposes? Grade 0 accuracy, option A. 19. For corrosion protection and maintain surface fish clean and slips with carbon tetrachloride and apply petroleum jelly, option C. 20. The least count of micrometer is 0.01 millimeter, option B. 21. Files are generally used for metal removing purpose. Which of the following statement is or are true about the constructional features of a hand file? Option C, 1 and 3 എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. 1, it is rectangular in cross section. 3, one edge is uncut, option C ആണ് 21th answer. 22. Which one of the following hammer is used for nail pulling action? Claw hammer, option B. 23. Which one of the following file is used for removing metal from a V-shaped groove with an included angle of 50 degree? Knife edge file, option D. 24. Flute is the part of a drill bit. Which of the following statement is or are correct about flutes? Option C, 1, 2 and 3. 1. Flute helps to form cutting edges. 2. Flutes help for chip removal process. 3. Flutes help for improving strength of drill, option C ആണ്. Third one, flute help for colon flow. അപ്പോൾ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, ഇതൊന്ന് പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോക്കുക. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ്. 1, 2, 3 എന്ന് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ്. 25. Which one of the material is generally used for making surface plates? Grey cast iron, option A. 26. What is the use of die nut, solid die, for reconditioning damaged threads? Option D. 27. Which one of the following is a commercially available marking media with various colors and quick dry action? Cellulose lacquer, option A. 28. Vices are used for holding workpieces for various operations. Which of the following vice has only a line contact occurs between work and job plate instead of surface contact? Leg vice, option B. 29. Which type of limit gauge is suitable for checking the width of a rectangular prism? Snap gauge, option D. 30. Eye hole is part of hammer. What is the shape of an eye hole? It is oval-shaped tapered hole with an increase in diameter from center towards its ends. Option D. 31. Which one of the following metal has the lowest melting point? High carbon steel. Option A. 32. Which one of the following is a property of metal which fails under the action of constant tensile load at elevated temperature? Creep. Option D. 33. Which one of the following furnace is used for making cast iron? Cupola furnace. C-U-P-O-L-A. Cupola furnace. Option A. 34. Annealing is a heat treatment process. In annealing, what is the heating range of steel having 0.9% carbon? 50 degree above LCT. Option B. 35. In arc welding process, which one of the following statements is true in case of straight polarity? 66% heat is generated in work. Option A. 36. In fillet weld nomenclature, what do you mean by throat thickness? It is the distance between root to weld to the line joining two toes. Option B. ഒന്ന് പോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോക്കുക ഇച്ചിരി ലെങ്തി ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഒന്ന് പോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോക്കുക. 37. Which one of the following rivet is used where the protection of the rivet head above the assembly surface must be avoided? Countersunk head rivet. Option C. 38. Which one of the following power source is used in arc welding where electricity is not available? Generator set. Option A. 39. Which one of the following heat treatment process is used for removing internal stresses developed due to uneven heating and cooling of metal? Normalizing. Option D. 40. Which one of the following gas is used for gas nitriding process? Ammonia. Option A. 41. Engines having spark ignition are governed by quantitative governing. Option B. 42. In a 4-stroke engine, the working cycle is completed by dash revolutions of crankshaft. 2. 43. The combustion process in a diesel engine is constant pressure process. Option D. 44. What is the material used for making camshaft? Forged alloy steel. Option C. 45. Piston and connecting rod joined by using gudgeon pin. Option C. 46. What is the working principle of clutch? Friction. Option D. 47. What is the purpose of throttle valve in carburetor? Control air fuel mixture into engine. Option A. 48. Which one of the following is the working cycle of compression ignition engine? Diesel cycle. Option A. 49. What is the compression ratio of petrol engine? 6:1 to 11:1. Option C. 50. Fresh charge in the cylinder of 2-stroke engine enters in cylinder by transfer port. Option B. 51. Type of drive best suited for minimum distance and for maximum power transmission is gear drive. Option A. 52. A key fits into a semicircular keyway cut in the shaft is Woodruff key. Option C. 53. Gears used to transmit power at right angles is meter gear. Option D. 54. Example of an anti-friction bearing is ball bearing. Option B. 55. Which of the following is an example for pinpoint? Knuckle joint. Option A. 56. If the bearing pressure load is parallel to the axis of the shaft, the bearing is called pivot bearing. Option D. P-I-P-V-O-T. Pivot bearing. Option D. 57. Driver and driven pulley rotates in opposite direction in cross belt drive. Option B. 58. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Option C. 59. The surface above the pitch circle diameter of a gear is called face. Option A. 60. The mechanism used in lathe for the movement of carriage is rack and pinion. Option C. 61. Which one of the following is an example of drive fit? H7RC. Option B. 62. The algebraic difference between the size to its corresponding basic size is known as deviation. Option C. 63. The axial advancement of a nut on a bolt in one complete revolution is called lead. Option B. LEAD. 64. The angle of seller's thread is 60 degree. Option D. 65. The combination of right hand and left hand thread is utilized in dash of the following. Turnbuckle. Option B. 66. If the tolerance zones of mating parts overlaps, the fit obtained is transition. Option C. 67. A shaft of basic size 40 mm has its upper and lower deviations of 0.025 mm. Calculate the tolerance. 0.05. Option A. 68. In a triple start thread, the lead equals 3 times of the pitch. Option A. 69. The maximum and minimum sizes of shaft are 35.047 and 35.036 and that of hole are 35.022 and 35 respectively. Calculate the minimum and maximum interferences when they are assembled. 0.014 and 0.047. Option B. 70. As per IS 919-1963 revised, BIS recommends dash type of fundamental deviations and dash grades of tolerance for basic size up to 500 mm. 27 and 18. Option D. 71. Electron has dash charge, negative charge. Option B. 72. Unit of electric charge is coulomb. Option A. 73. Unit of conductance MHO. Option B. 74. Which one is semiconductor material? Germanium. Option D. 75. How many electrons are there in the third cell of copper atom? 18. Option C. 76. Full form of EMF is electromotive force. Option B. 77. RMS value is equal to Vmax into 0.707. Option B. 78. Copper is a dash, good conductor. 79. An instrument which detects electric current is known as galvanometer. Option D. 80. Electric pressure is also called voltage. Option C. 81. Calculate the total power of the circuit of two lamps rated as 200 watt per 240 volt are connected in series across 240 volt supply. 100 watt. Option B. 82. Which law states that in closed electric circuit the applied voltage is equal to the sum of the voltage drops? Kirchhoff's second law. Option D. 83. What is the effect of a parallel circuit with one branch opened? No current will flow in that branch. Option C. 84. The total resistance in a series circuit is equal to the dash of the individual resistance around the series circuit. Sum. Option A. 85. Unit of resistance is ohm. Option A. 86. Resistance of wire is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. Option C. 87. If the color band of a resistance are in the order red, green, orange and gold, its resistance values dash ohm. 27,000 plus or minus 5%. Option D. 88. Which instrument used to measure resistance? Ohm meter. Option B. 89. Which one of the following material or alloy is the best example of positive temperature coefficient? Eureka. Option A. 90. Application of series parallel combination is voltage divider. Option D. 91. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? Nuclear. Option A. 92. Gasoline is a dash fuel, liquid. Option B. 93. A generating station which utilizes the potential energy of water at a high level for the generation of electrical energy is known as hydropower plant. Option B. 94. Dash turbines are used for high heads, impulse turbines. Option D. 95. In nuclear power station, heavy elements such as dash are subjected to nuclear fission in a special apparatus known as reactor, uranium. Option A. 96. Wind energy utilizes kinetic energy of air. Option B. 97. A solar cell converts light energy into electrical energy. Option A. 98. Series parallel combination of solar cell is called solar array. Option C. 99. The main constituent of biogas is methane. Option B. 100. Trapped heat inside the earth is known as geothermal energy. Option C. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയുമാണ് ഈ ചോദ്യപേപ്പറിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ തന്നെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് ഓൾ എന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു.